Do you think men still prefer a virgin partner? Do you think there's women out there who prefer a virgin man?
I really like a virgin man.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I think because I'm still a virgin. I don't even have experience to kiss in the lips.
Okay. Why do you think some men prefer a pure lady over a non-virgin? Do you think men still prefer a virgin partner?
Yes, because men are so picky nowadays, and even though they commit their, you know, some things nasty stuff, they still prefer the virgin one.
Do you think most men are like that?
I think yes, but not really.
What do you mean? Not really.
Not really because you know,
Okay. Okay, so not really.
yes.
But a lot of them, they are really.
Yes, because they're so picky even and they think they're high of themselves.
Why? What's wrong with, like,
In
what's with
In my past relationship. Yes.
based on your past relationships? Okay.
They're my pride. They're my pride.
Oh, they have so much pride.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you think there's women out there who prefer virgin man?
I I don't know. But for me, I I don't care if you're virgin or not as long as I love him or you. Diba?
As long as you love the person,
Yes.
so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter for me as long
Oh,
as
but she had like he had like 30 partners before.
Okay, next.
Oh my goodness. But if you love him, it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Do you think there are still a lot of virgin Filipinas your age?
I think yes because they're focused on their studies. And they are so
Religious?
religious.
How about here in Naga? Do you think there are,
I don't
why you don't know?
because I'm not from Naga.
Oh, you're from Naga. Where are you from?
In Calabanga.
Oh,
Yes.
Calabanga. Hello, Calabanga people. Oh, you're. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much, Beth.
Yes,
Thank you for.
thank you.
How old are you? I'm sorry.
I'm 21.
21. Very pretty. Do you prefer a virgin partner?
For me, it doesn't really matter if she's a virgin or not. Uh, that doesn't really matter to me.
I'm curious now. Why it doesn't matter to you?
I mean, virginity is just a social construct uh, given by people to each other to determine one's value. So I don't really subscribe to that idea. It seems like it's backwards type of an idea.
Backwards. Wow, backwards. Okay. Why do you think some men prefer a pure lady over a non-virgin?
Maybe because their masculinity is fragile.
Masculine fragile. You're just calling some men out there masculine fragile?
Maybe.
Do you think there's women out there who prefer a virgin man?
I think some of women want a virgin man. No way, because they want um parang they want a man's totally single and not have children. It depends on the woman if she accept um a man have their have
Of no
expe-
experience.
yeah, have no experience.
How about you?
In my point of view, I really like a virgin man.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so for you, yeah, you do, right?
Yeah, I think.
Do you think there are still a lot of virgin Filipinas your age?
Actually, I didn't know if I. Yeah, I think because I'm still a virgin. I don't even have experience to kiss in the lips.
Okay, okay, so you believe there are,
Huh?
So you believe there are a lot of virgin Filipinas out there like your age?
Yeah, I think if a woman is totally religious, I think they have.
Do you prefer a virgin partner?
It doesn't matter to me if she's virgin or not, because if you really love someone, you need to accept what she is.
Do you think men still prefer a virgin partner?
Well, for me, I think in this generation, it doesn't matter that much if whether the woman is still a virgin or not. But for me, in my case, I think I still prefer if a woman will give her virginity or purity to a man that is forever. Assureness, of course.
Okay. Do you think there's women out there who prefer a virgin man?
Yes, of course, especially for a woman. I think that um it is for us, or it is the preferredness of us is a man that is still a virgin, that can give us himself fully without any woman uh uh in touch with them in the past.
That's including you, right?
Yes.
What if he's not virgin no more and then you love him?
Well, if it's love, if love is, I think regardless, for me, really, regardless, I think purity is the best gift for each other.
Do you think there's still a lot of virgin Filipinas your age?
Well, in my experience, not me personally, not my experience, but based on my friends, I have a lot of friends who is not a virgin anymore, in my age, on my same age. So I think in this generation, there's a lot of women in my age uh, has a experience already.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18 years old.
Yes.
And you're in college, right?
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
I'm BSTM, which
What
is
is that?
tourism.
Oh, tourism.
Yes.
And are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
I am not single. I am not. I am also not taken, but I am talking with someone right now.
Is that what you call situationship?
Oh my gosh, correct.
That's very common now
Yeah.
for what are Gen Z, right?
Yeah, Gen Z.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Beth. Thank you so much for having this interview with us. We really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections